decided to write this song many years ago about traveling to that great city on the boat. It was something like this. Sailed away on the old North Wall, the traveling feet gave me the call, leaving a suitcase in my hand with the price of a pint. Didn't need a bite, a good old crack on the boat that night as we left our homes and I had run. The lights had flickered from the shore, the boat was rocking to and fro, heading for the docks of Liverpool. I'll be sagging down some night away, the squeeze by time I fell away, stepping off the boat in Liverpool. Rise up back, crack of dawn, I'm working hard. Before we come, that time I play the old guitar. Shine together, one all side by side, stand and talk. The crowd was getting down early on the free bar. All the lights that flickered from the shore, the bar was rocking to and fro down beside the docks of Liverpool. Sang and danced the night away, the squeeze by time I fell on play, standing out at night in Liverpool. Let's play. Even that old suitcase of mine